Recently, we published a video about how to cut back on your daily expenses, but sometimes you simply need to make more money. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to make money working online. In this video, we'll show you 5 different ways that you can start making money online today. Whether you're looking for some extra spending money or you want to quit your job and work from home, these methods will help you get started. Number 1. Start an online store. You can easily set up a website and start selling your own products or services. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. Just choose a platform that suits your needs, create an account, upload some pictures of what you're offering, and start setting prices. A great resource for setting up an online store is Shopify. It's a platform that makes it easy to create your own online store, and there are lots of templates and designs to choose from. You can also add features like PayPal or Apple Pay to make it easy for customers to buy from you. Another great resource for starting an online store is Etsy. It's a platform that focuses specifically on handmade and vintage items, so it's a great place to sell your products. Shoppers on Etsy are used to paying a premium for unique, high-quality items. Number 2. Become an affiliate. If you don't have any products or services to offer, you can still make money online by becoming an affiliate. This is done by promoting other people's products on your website and receiving a commission for every sale that happens through your link. Make sure to research the companies you want to promote carefully before signing up. One great resource for becoming an affiliate is Amazon Associates. It's a program that allows you to promote millions of products on Amazon.com and receive a commission for every sale that happens through your link. There are also lots of resources and training available to help you get started. Another great resource for becoming an affiliate is ClickBank. It's a platform that allows you to promote digital products from thousands of different vendors. You can choose from a wide variety of products, and there are lots of resources and training available to help get you started. Number 3. Create your own blog or YouTube channel. A blog is a great way to start talking about topics you're passionate about, while making money at the same time. It takes some time to build a devoted audience, but once you have one, you can start making money regularly. You can monetize your blog by including affiliate links, or you can include ads on your website. If vlogging is more your style, you can always make a YouTube channel. Once you meet the minimum requirements, YouTube will start paying you for the ads played during your videos. If you want to make even more money online, you can consider using a subscription model. This is where you charge people a monthly or yearly fee to access your content. This can be a great way to make residual income and attract loyal customers. A great resource for learning about how to set up a subscription model is the website Subscription Academy. It's an online course that teaches you everything you need to know about running a successful subscription business. Number 4. Test apps and websites. One great way to make money online is by testing apps and websites. This involves visiting websites or using apps and providing feedback about your experience. Companies often use this feedback to improve their products. There are a few different ways to get paid for testing apps and websites. One is to become a tester through a website like usertesting.com. As a tester, you'll be asked to visit websites or use apps and record your thoughts about them. You'll then receive a payment for every test that you complete. Another way to get paid for testing apps and websites is through a program called AppCoiner. As an AppCoiner, you'll be paid to test and review new apps. You'll also be given the opportunity to promote these apps on your own website or social media pages. Number 5. Sell your skills. If you have skills that others can benefit from, why not turn it into a money-making opportunity? You can offer online tuition classes or work as a freelancer for different companies. There are plenty of websites where you can showcase your skills and start making money. For example, Upwork is a great way to make money online if you have marketable skills. You can find freelance work on Upwork by setting up a profile and bidding on jobs. This allows you to work with clients from all over the world and earn a decent income. You can also try one of Upwork's competitors, Freelancer.com and Fiverr. If you're looking for longer-term contract work, Angel.co is a great place to start. You can search for jobs by category or location, or you can post your resume to let employers know that you're available for work. It's an especially great resource for anyone looking for work in the tech industry. Well, there you have it. These are just some of the ways you can start making money online. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Until next time, thanks for watching.